Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Biochemistry Hub. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we are discussing on photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? There are a lot of definitions for photosynthesis. Here are some. As we can see the equation for photosynthesis, you can define photosynthesis simply as the process in which plant convert carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Or you can say photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. Or you can say photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. Important of photosynthesis to humans. Photosynthesis is the ultimate source of all humankind food and oxygen. It is the biochemical process that sustains the biosphere as the basis for the food chain. The oxygen produced as a byproduct of photosynthesis allows the formation of the ozone layer, the evolution of aerobic respiration, and though complex multicellular life. Now, how does photosynthesis occur? Photosynthesis may be split into light and dark reaction. In the light reaction, water is split using light into oxygen, protons, and electrons. In the dark reaction, the protons and electrons are used to reduce carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Not all organisms can photosynthesize. Here are the list of organisms that can undergo photosynthesis. Under prokaryotes, that is organisms without true nucleus, are Prochlorophyta, cyanobacteria, photosynthetic bacteria. And under eukaryotes, those organisms with true nucleus are high plants, mosses, liverworts, ferns, and flowering plants. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplasts, where chlorophyll is present. The requirements for photosynthesis are: number one, light energy, which is gotten from the solar energy, that is the sun. Number two is carbon dioxide. The source of carbon dioxide is from atmosphere and also from respiration. The third one is water. Plants get water from the soil with the help of the xylem cells. In the chloroplast, there is photosynthetic pigment called chlorophyll, which trap light from the sunlight. Then the first phase of photosynthesis, that is light reaction, begins in the thylakoid space, where the light is being absorbed, electron transfer, and generation of ATP occur in the thylakoid space. The ATP and NADPH are generated or produced here in the thylakoid, that is during the light reaction. Then the ATP and NADPH are used for the next phase, that is dark reaction or carbon fixation, to produce carbohydrates or glucose. We are going to look at each phase one after the other in our next videos. This is just introduction to photosynthesis. Don't forget, photosynthesis it simply means converting carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. And there are two phases in achieving this. The first one is light dependent phase, that is light reaction, which takes place in the thylakoid space in the chloroplast, where ATP and NADPH are generated. Then the second phase is temperature dependent phase, that is dark phase, where the ATP and the NADPH generated in the first phase are used to produce carbohydrates. The dark reaction occur in the stroma and the chloroplast. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also share to your loved ones.